How to fix Grindr registration error. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix Grindr registration error. If you're having trouble registering for Grindr, you can try these steps. So first thing, open up a browser and type in grindr.com. You could also use an application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. Now, first of all, when you're having an issue with the registration, you could always check for your connection. Now, make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. You could also try restarting your router at the same time. Now, likewise, after which you could also try ensuring or updating your application to the latest version. So you could try going to you could go to your Play Store and update it. And at the same time, make sure Grindr isn't blocked in your region, which means that the following application is only available in certain part of the country. So you need to check whether it's available or not. After which you want to check your reason. So after which you want to go ahead and turn off or turn on your VPN. If you have VPN installed to your device, then you could just turn it off or disable it, and vice versa. That is, you could go ahead and enable it if this is not working out. And at the same time, you could also go ahead and clear cache as well. And or else you could also use different email address, and make sure that you have entered the 18+, and make sure while registering that you have entered your age correctly. That means you need to be 18+, and this should be able to fix the issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.